good habits. Drink water every day. It keeps you healthy and active. Brush your teeth twice a day. Keep your smile bright. Wash your hands before meals. Stay clean and safe. Take a bath daily and feel fresh. Keep your room clean and organized. Eat healthy food like fruits and vegetables. Exercise every day to stay fit and strong. Wake up early and start your day well. Wake up early and start your day well. Sleep on time for good health. Sleep on time for good health. Read books every day and grow your knowledge. Help your family at home. Help your family at home. Speak politely to everyone. Speak politely to everyone. Share and care for others. Share and care for others. Always tell the truth. Always tell the truth. Respect parents, teachers, and elders. Keep your nails clean and trimmed. Keep your nails clean and trimmed. Wear clean clothes every day. Wear clean clothes every day. Save water and electricity. Save water and electricity. Throw waste in the dustbin. Throw waste in the dustbin. Smile and be kind to everyone. Reach on time. It shows discipline and respect.